watch daily videos, and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are revving up your GRE preparation and you are studying on a daily basis, devoting good number of hours in preparing for GRE and at the same time watching all the videos, and I hope that these videos are helping you in your preparation. Okay, so there is a course link given below and as you guys know that we have already started with the course every Friday, every Monday, along with a lot of mock tests and sectional tests. So you can use the coupon code GREKing50 and get some discount on the course as well. Okay, so today's video is really important. Today I'm going to talk about GRE preparation schedule, and it's a 5-day strategy. Okay, so 5-day strategy, how you should follow, what you should study, what you should not study, and how you're going to repeat this cycle again and again. Okay, so GRE preparation schedule 5-day strategy, let's begin with it. So now talking about the 5-day strategy, if you're beginning your GRE preparation, so follow this approach so that you get to a routine, you get to a sync and actually work towards your GRE preparation. And as you follow this 5-day strategy, you can repeat the same cycle every week, okay, with breaks in between, like a 1-day break in between, and that is really going to help you utilize time in a very efficient manner. Okay, now what you have to do is on the first day, you can see all the topics, whatever I'm saying, it's there on the screen, so you can actually get access to that. Okay, so the first day what you have to do is you have to solve 3 reading comprehension passages. Okay, now reading comprehension is more than 50% of your GRE verbal ability, like at least 50% of your GRE verbal ability. Like out of 20 questions in one section, 10 questions are going to be straight away reading comprehension questions. Okay, so what you have to do is solve 3 reading comprehension passages on the first day. And there is a book called as Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy. So it has around 42 to 44 sessions. Okay, it's a very fun and interactive book which will help you to get through the basics of vocabulary. So solve 3 sessions of Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy. Okay, so 3 reading comprehension passages, that will approximately take that, even if you're giving 10 minutes, which is a lot of time, to start with, then you will take 30 minutes, and 3 reading comprehension, again you will take 1 hour to do this. Third most important thing that you have to do on the first day is learn new 50 vocabulary words. Okay, so day 1 you are starting your preparation, you are doing 3 reading comprehension passages, you are solving 3 sessions of Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy, and you are learning 50 new vocabulary words. Okay, so take out round about 2.5 hours, okay, 2.5 hours of time on the day 1, 2.5 to maximum 3 hours of time. Sit at a stretch and do this. Okay, now the second day what you have to do is Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy goes on. Okay, so don't stop with that. The second day what you have to do is you have to go to the GRE King course dashboard and watch text completion and sentence equivalence videos. Okay, now what will happen is the first day you have learned some new vocabulary words, you have actually solved some passages. So what you have to do is there are text completion and sentence equivalence questions, and I've actually explained how do you approach all of these questions. Okay, so there are around about 20 to 30 videos each. So what you have to do is you have to go and you have to see every question strategy, like what is the approach of solving each text completion question and sentence equivalence question. So go to the GRE King dashboard and watch all the text completion and sentence equivalence videos. Okay, along with that, on the second day what you have to do is you have to again go to the GRE King dashboard and solve 1 sentence equivalence test and 1 text completion test. Okay, so these are the tests which are already given. So once you have watched all the text completion and sentence equivalence video, just give one test so that you actually come to know how much you were able to grasp, because just watching everything and not giving a test is not going to help you. You always have to test yourself to know where you currently stand. Okay, so on the second day you are continuing with the Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy, but you are also watching text completion and sentence equivalence videos and solving 1 test each. Okay, now let's move to the third day in the 5-day preparation strategy. Third day, what you are going to do is you have to go again to the GRE King course dashboard and you have to watch arithmetic videos. Okay, so arithmetic videos means percentage, average, ratio, proportion, and time, speed, distance. Okay, so these are the topics that you have to open up, go to the dashboard, log in, open up, and go to all of these topics, arithmetic videos, which is percentage, average, ratio, proportion, time, speed, distance, and watch all the videos. What's going to happen is if there is a concept you were not familiar with or you forgot, so you will get acquainted with all of those concepts. Once you are done watching the videos, attempt a sectional test of quants. Okay, so attempt a sectional test of quants and see where you stand. Like, is there still something that you again need to go and brush up? Okay, so that is what you have to do on the third day. Now the fourth day, what you're going to do, so now what we have done till now is you got acquainted to the reading comprehension passages, you got acquainted to new words, you got acquainted to how do you actually solve a text completion and sentence equivalence question, and you got acquainted to some arithmetic videos, and you also gave a arithmetic sectional test. So 3 days, but you have got acquainted to everything. You have touched based upon all of these topics which actually come in your GRE exam. So you will get that confidence as well. Now the fourth day, what you have to do is you have to go to the GRE King course dashboard and watch geometry videos. Now why arithmetic and geometry? Because arithmetic and geometry form 50% of your GRE quantitative aptitude. So watch the geometry videos, revise all formulas and concept. Again, go to the sectional test dashboard and solve one quant sectional test. Okay, now once you do that, again you will be able to, there'll be some questions from arithmetic which you did the other day, and then there'll be questions from geometry, and just check for yourself that wherever you got wrong, which concepts you did not know, and analyze that sectional test. Okay, now coming to the fifth day, what you have to do is, since you have touched based upon your text completion, sentence equivalence, reading comprehension, got to learn some vocabulary, did arithmetic and geometry in the last 4 days, don't think that there are a lot of things pending. I have not touched base upon algebra or data analysis, or I'm not very comfortable with reading comprehension. Don't think all of that. On the fifth day, just give one full length mock. Okay, so mock number 1, which is there on your dashboard, all you have to do is you have to go there and click on the launch the mock 1 and just completely give mock 1. Okay, now what is going to happen is now these 5 days you have touched based upon each and everything, so there will not be a fear that okay, I don't know this concept or I don't know this. In quants there may be areas that you are not well versed with, but since you gave one mock, so you actually got familiar with the GRE pattern exam. You actually sat for 3 hours and 45 minutes and you got acquainted to all the types of questions. And at the same time, you have touched based upon all the topics which come in the GRE exam. Now, if you follow this, people who follow this sincerely are going to see a change in their pattern and in their learning pattern. Now, once these 5 days are done, what you have to do is you have to again repeat this cycle. Like, again going to the first day, solving a reading comprehension, again Norman Lewis. So Norman Lewis goes on consistently and again learn 50 new words. Then go to the second day, go to the dashboard, see some videos, solve one sectional test. Then again you are going to quants, solving a sectional test. Then again you go to geometry, or maybe take up algebra this time, go and solve a sectional test and again do a mock. So in 5 days, or maybe for that matter in 1 week, you are actually touch basing upon all the topics, as well as you are doing some full length mocks and you are analyzing the mocks. Okay, so this is a 5-day GRE preparation strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm hoping just follow this strategy and let me know your experience in the comments below. Okay, so this was all from my end. There is a course link given, as I already mentioned, and if you need a mentorship session, just drop in an email. I'll be able to help you out. Okay, so this was all from my end in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and do hit the bell icon. If you click on that, you will get a notification every time I release a new video. Okay, so all the best for your preparation, and bye bye.